Hello everyone, my name is Mutiara Sari Tagalog. I want to explain about computer. Number one, a computer. Computer is an uh, electronic device capable of performing several tasks, namely receiving input, processing input according to the instruction given, storing orders and the result of their processing, and providing output in the form of information. Number two, main component of computer. The first, hardware. Hardware is that has a physical form. Hardware can be operated directly and serves as a liaison between the user and the computer system. And second, software. Software is that doesn't have a physical form. This type of device consists of a program whose job is to process data that has been entered into the hardware. Third, the third, brainware. Brainware is one component that is rarely mentioned in a computer system, but that doesn't mean this component is not important. Number three, software. Software is that doesn't have a physical form. This type of device consists of a program whose job is to process data that has been entered into the hardware. The example is Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Mozilla Office, Microsoft Office Word, Microsoft Office PowerPoint, Excel, and Format Factory. Number four, virus. Virus is a software that can replicate by injecting or infecting its one code into of the file. Three category of virus is number one, overwriting, a type of computer virus that will copy its one code of for the host computer system file data which destroys the original program. Number two, appending, a virus that insert a copy of its malicious code and the end of the file. Number three, preventing, a virus defines the method it's use of infecting file by adding their code to the beginning of the file. Number five, hardware. Hardware is hardware that has a physical form. Hardware can be operated directly and serves as a liaison between the user and the computer system. Two category of hardware. First, the first input device. Input device is that use to input data into computer system that input data sound word. And second, output device that is used to output the data from computer. Number six, the benefit of a computer network are sharing hardware resources easily and sharing information easily. Type of computer network. First, local area network. The computer are geographically close together, that is in the same building. And second, wide area network. The computer area further apart and are component by telephone lines or radio waves. The third, metropolitan area networks, a data network designed for a town or city. Number seven, device for computer network. The first, network interface card. A network card, network adapter, or network interface card is a piece of computer hardware designed to allow computer to communicate over a computer network. And second, repeaters. A repeater is an electronic device that receives a signal and transmits it a higher power level or to the other side of an obstruction, so the signal can cover longer distances without degradation. The third, hook. A hook contains multi-type parts The fourth, router, a device that forwards data packets between computer network, creating an overlay in the network. Number 8, cryptography is derived from Greek. Cryptos means hidden or secret, and graphy means writing. So cryptography is the practice and study of creating a secret information. For example, we have to secure the word right. Using cryptography, the word right in cryptography is called plain text. Using a set of rules called algorithm. The plain text is changed into ciphertext. This process is this process is called encryption. The result of this encryption process is the word UHDZ. This is the ciphertext. For example, in ATM machine, computer password, and also in electronic commerce. Number 9, the internet is a worldwide connection of millions of computer connected to thousands of different network. Many kind of internet service is the first World Wide Web. The World Wide Web is a global set of document, images, and other resources logically interrelated by hyperlinks and references with uniform resources in the device. And second, file transfer protocol allows user to upload and download file from other computer. The third, electronic data interchange, electronic transfer of data between components over the internet. Number 10, email. Email is a means of sending and receiving letters. The following is a brief description of how email works. The email owner opens the email and then writes the content of the message to be sent. Next, the email user gives instruction to the email application to send message to another email address. The email server will identify the destination email address, then send the message to another email server located close to the destination address. Sometimes an email is sent through multiple email servers depending on the route it is traveling on. When an email message is sent to the recipient's email address, the content of the message are stored on the email server until the recipient opens it. When the recipient opens a message in the post box inbox, the recipient's email application will request a new email that is on the email server and then download it to the recipient's computer. Furthermore, the recipient of the email can view and read the content of the message that was downloaded earlier. Okay, thank you, Shell. Thank you.